Me. My kids are fighting. What else is new? I have 10 minutes to get out of this house. Chaos, as usual. I haven't got my hair colored in over 2 years, and I haven't gone to get a curly cut since 2021, which is crazy. I usually just go to my Dominican salon. I just have her cut the ends. There's only one person that I trust with my curls, and I finally got an appointment with her, so that's where we're going right now. But first, we're gonna insert me getting my hair colored. The first time I tried someone new in over 6 years, so let me insert that. So this is what we're working with. This is what my hair looks like before the appointment. 3 years ago, my hair was mostly blonde, so I completely grew it out just to color it again. You look crazy. You look like a poodle. Right. So long story short, there was a stylist whose work I really liked, but she's going on maternity leave soon, and she actually got her hair done by this stylist, which is Lele Styles, and I just freaking loved her work. It's really hard to find stylists that know how to color curly hair. She used the brand Danger Jones on my head, and when I tell you guys, I've never seen my hair this blonde in my entire life. It's usually warm. I'm not gonna lie, when she first took the foils off, I was a little nervous. It was giving 2000s highlights, but just trust the process because she absolutely killed this. I have historically always freaked out before they add the toner, and I realized that yes, it is going to calm everything down, but just like when you're in the process, it is scary. I also came with my hair pre-stretched, which I did with my Rev Air, just because I also wear my hair straight sometimes, so I wanted to be able to have a color that works for both curly hair and straight hair. This is her adding in the toner where the magic finally happens, and this is the final color. It looks like I was just out in the sun all day, which is what I was trying to get. I look crazy. And this was the next day. We are off to the famous Cava Curls. My last actual curly cut was from her in 2021, and this is my first time back. My hair, as you can see, is in dire need of some moisture, so we started off with a deep treatment mask. That warm steam and that massage on your head is the best thing ever. I was just about ready to fall asleep. Definitely a must, especially after getting your hair colored. And this is my girl Nikki. She is super talented. A little bit of bangs. Not really big, they grew out a lot, so you probably won't be able to see it. And I stopped having her do layers like 2 years ago, I want to say, somewhere around there.
Do you not want?
I want whatever you think is gonna make it look best. She's going to show me before she cuts. I'm in good hands, I know. I'm just a little nervous. I'm always nervous.
Let's see. It's like this much.
Okay, that's perfect.
That's good?
Completely done.
They're like very, very
Even if I'm just cutting my ends, which is what I normally do, I always freak out when I cut my hair. I don't know why. I don't know what my problem is. When she's curling it, it's not getting stuck to her finger. There's super slip, and it's because she's using mousse in every section. She just changed my life. She also doesn't finger coil from the root, which is why I was looking crazy in these streets. I was just sitting here admiring the technique so I can learn how to do this when I go home. It usually takes me over an hour to style my own hair. I kid you not, she got through my whole head super fast. And then it was time to diffuse. She diffuses from the ends first. And then once it's about 80% dry, we go onto the hair dryer. I mean, just look at how beautiful my curls look from this angle. But the more volume you want, the more shrinkage you're gonna get. So this is me under the hair dryer. The curls look so juicy and defined. It looks like I cut more than I actually did. She kind of just really cut the ends and then cut some bangs. And then she went back in with the diffuser to kind of dry everything else off after I was sitting under there for about 25 minutes. And this is me looking at the final result for the first time. I'm so not used to wearing bangs. This is definitely something that I'm gonna have to get used to. I'm a middle part girly through and through, but the amount of volume it gives, it's so gorgeous. You know, I had to have a little selfie moment to see what it was looking like.
Yeah.
What?
Period.
Hello?
Why you look so
No,
beautiful?
this looks crazy. I look like a whole new person.
You look so beautiful.
I'm only 21, actually.
I'm only 21, actually.
I'm only 21. And the official before and after. Crazy.